I'm Jan Karel Pieterse. I'm a spreadsheet consultant since about 2003, so I've been doing a lot of spreadsheeting in the past years. And I just love creating Excel worksheets and looking at Excel worksheets from other people. I think about 80% of my consulting work involves writing VBA code, although nowadays that's shifting more and more towards reviewing other people's spreadsheets and commenting on their model and pointing out errors they made and potential mistakes. Formatting matters because it makes it easier to find information in the worksheet and to detect what the information is about. For example, is it a cell into which we are expected to enter data, or is it a calculation which we probably need not touch because the formula in there should not be changed? So that's why formatting is important. If you format by function, it makes it easier for other people to understand the spreadsheet model. Yeah, I try to convince people to use styles to do the formatting. Styles in Excel do exist, although almost no one knows they are there. They are very similar to the styles in Word, and they are a quick and easy way to format a couple of cells in a consistent way. If you define styles for each and every function that you think your worksheet will have, for example, input, output, calculations, etc. If you meticulously stick to using styles, you also force yourself into thinking about why is this cell here, what's the purpose of the cell, things like that. Yeah, I often see people overdo formatting. So, for example, Excel makes it really easy to put borders around cells, and having all black borders around all cells of a table. If you print that table, then all attention is drawn towards the borders of the cells rather than towards the information in the table, being the numbers and the labels. So if you do formatting, try and use as little ink as you possibly can. So what I mean by that is if you use colors, use, what's the English word for that? Don't use saturated colors, but use light colors. If you use borders, make sure they are in a light shade of gray so that if you print them, they are there and they will guide your eye in reading, but they are not distracted from the information. I guess it also depends on what you define as being formatting. For example, in Excel, if you right-click on a cell and you select cell properties, one of the formatting properties is merging cells, yes or no. Strictly spoken, merging two cells is more than just formatting. And I always recommend not to merge cells because there are all sorts of problems that arise from merged cells in a spreadsheet. For example, it becomes very hard to sort a table if any cells within the table are merged. Well, of course, you can go to my website, which is jkp-ads.com.